Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the modeling screen, which is the second of the two screens. When you're down here in the menu and you press, when you're on the flash screen and you press to the right, you're going to end up here. And if you have some lights open, you're going to see this. I happen to be on channel 3, and that's my light right here. You see the green indicators at top and bottom. I'm on 3, and here I can control the power of my modeling lamp if I want to move it up and down. And the same information, a lot of things we had on the flash screen are here. We have the flash out here going on. It's 2 stops under full power, and we have our modeling lamp is 150 and it's set probably at full power right here. We've got 0. There's no more available power at the moment. So this particular Alien B400 is set up at the full power for its modeling lamp. Probably so I could actually see it on the shoulders and the hair as a separation or hair light to my model. Main light, I can change that name, and I will go back in and do that in this one. I'm going to do my own setup here, but right now all of my lights are just saying main light, excuse me, so you can see that. Again, power up and down, quite simple. So these screens are pretty simple here. We shouldn't have to spend a lot of time here at this point till we get to this candle power stuff going on in the middle. But you can see here on channel 2, we've got a lot of the same information. Again, on the wattage, I've got a small bulb in there. I don't have the 150 watt. I got the 25 watts to be used with the Vagabonds or the portable power out there, so you don't drain. You can use your modeling lamps without draining battery too quickly. So I'm on channel 2, and channel 1 is here, and we also have, and this is an Einstein 640 by the way, and here we have the all mode, just like we did on the flash screen, where I can move all the modeling lamps up in relationship to each other. So it's really a bracket mode again. If I've got them set and I want to bring them all up or down in relationship to each other, it's like shooting brackets. You can bring them down a few tenths of a stop or half a stop or a full stop or up or down either way. And you can see that again, each click of the power stick here up or down is 1/10 of a stop. So half a stop would be 5 clicks of moving it up. And again, I have an audio signal set up to indicate that for me. So again, this is a real simple screen. If you understand the flash screen, you're going to understand this one. And when we get to these candles here and what each one of these indicators means, then both this and the flash screen will make sense to you. But I'm going to move on to groups because the screens are very similar. We want to see what's involved with those groups, and then we can get over to these candles.